Hey guys, we are pouring some concrete today in the rain. We got a real big job to do. Huge, 24 by 24. Biscuits ready. Yeah, this is the job. Little pole barn here. We had to grade it out and we're ready to rock here. We try to do these little jobs or any of these jobs in the rain, and these indoor ones. So we may have to build a little plastic thing across this and lower them doors once we get it in. But Dwight's bringing our concrete from Circle T. This thing is ready to rip. Shouldn't be bad at all. I don't know how much footage I'll get of it, but we'll try to get you a little bit. You can hear the thunder in the background. It is coming down pretty good today. Stay tuned. It is really coming down out there, guys. Yeah, beautiful day to pour concrete. Yeah, we should do some Stampcrete today, huh, boys?
Good day for it.
Yeah. Where's Dwight with our mud, man? Does not look like it's letting up any, guys. Still waiting on the mud. But you can see. So we're gonna probably change gears. We might just take the wheelbarrows right out of here and just blow it right in and rake it around. Because I got the big Brentwoods, but if we wheel it, there's gonna be a lot of water dumping into the chute because I got an eave here, but you can't get super close. So all that water is gonna just be pouring into the hopper and right down the chute, and it's gonna make this a mess. So I think we might just rake it around, put them in here, blow it in and rake it. So we're not here till midnight. Boys all running to get their boots. Hurry up! Don't get wet! Come on, boys! That's as fast as I've ever seen Biscuit move, I think. Who says a biscuit can't fly? Who says a biscuit can't move? I know, buddy. We can't let you in here. We're gonna be pouring concrete. Get under the deck, bub. I don't know, where's Chris? He's
under the canopy.
Is he?
Bag of the truck. They're under the window on the back.
Did he find his boots? Uh-oh. I know, buddy. Get under the deck. I can't let you in the truck now. You're too wet. Chris found his boots. Oh. What did he forget? His float?
No, I got it. Grab your float over here.
We got your float, bud. Oh my God, it is raining hard here. This is crazy.
Your float's right here.
Here comes the mud, guys. In the rain, my old buddy Dwight coming in. Chris, jump in the truck. In the concrete truck. Circle T, baby. 315-963-2231. We'll see if we can get this in here without it being so super wet. What a mess. What a mess. Oh yeah, look at the water run out of his chute. Not good. I don't know, we put some chutes on there and blow it in, boys? Is that what we're gonna do? I got you, kid. Come on in, come on in, come on in. All right, probably it right there. Buddy, it's raining. What's going on, man? How's the back? Okay, guys, we got all our chutes on. It pulled right up. See the water coming out of that thing. We're gonna try to get like a 5.5 slump, and we're gonna blow it right in. We're gonna rake it to the back, so we're not gonna wheel any of it. We're just gonna blow it in. I don't have my tripod, so not sure how good my video footage is gonna be here. We got a hook here. We're gonna try to pull the wire up as we go with the potato hook. This is how we do it right there. Show them, Dustin. Yeah. That's how we do it. Be your wire mesh policeman. See how the mud looks. That ain't bad right there, boys. Yeah, blow it in. Yeah, that ain't a 5. It's a 5.5. Yeah. Take some water out of it. Take some water out of it. That's how we're gonna do it. All right, I gotta get to work here. Hopefully. All right, guys, we got a bunch of material in here, and we're just screening it off now. We wanted to get it in here as quick as we could so that the rain didn't run onto his truck and make it even worse. So that's what we're up to. We got a wet pad down the middle here. Just hand screen it off. This gets leveling it out. We probably got enough in here, maybe. Looking pretty close to having enough by the time we're done. Big hump here.
You're standing.
Even my little buddy so Crunchyroll. We got it in. We covered the front door. Look at the water. It's not supposed to rain like this today. Stand over here with Chris. Ain't nowhere to stand, is there?
I'm looking, he's got a lean-to out back. I might go over there.
There we go. Yeah. Let's do it. Come on, Ro. It is friggin' pouring out, guys. Just trying to seek shelter here. Look at the rain coming out. I definitely would have held off on this board today if I known it was going to be that bad. Woo. This is crazy. I don't know if you guys can hear that. Buddy, come here. Rolling Titan. So we're in this lean-to here, trying to stay out of the rain. Got a steel roof over our head at least. Hey, Ro, are you wet, Bob? Ro, did you get wet, little buddy? You get wet today? A little bit, huh? Me and Krista was just sitting here waiting for it to stop raining. This is one of the hardest rains I've seen in a long time around here. How long has it been doing this? A good hour. Hour and a half it's been doing this. We got like flood warnings and stuff. We don't get this kind of rain in New York normally for that long. Alright, it's still raining, guys. We're all sitting here trying to stay dry under the roof. That's what we're doing. Even my little buddy's soaked. Not good. It is still raining. We're gonna go get something to eat, but this is how hard it's raining, guys. It's insane. We're gonna go grab a bite because this floor is not going anywhere. It's definitely really wet. My little buddy's wet too, huh? You're soaked, aren't you, Bubba? You're soaked, huh? Alright, we'll be back. I'm gonna come back, get a trowel on this thing in a little bit. A good hour or so. Alright guys, you think we're getting some water here? Look at it. Look at that. Think we're getting some water here in New York State today? Rotor, do you see that, Bobby? Holy mackerel. That is crazy. Somebody stuck a cone in the road because it's flooded so bad. Oh my gosh. Look at that, guys. That whole yard is flooded. My goodness. I think we're kind of screwed here. I got a grader in the road trying to dig out the pipe, I think. I don't think we can go around him unless he moves. You can see the water in the road. Water's running right over the road. Uh-oh. Oh. Look at that. Holy mackerel. I don't think we can go through here, boys. Biscuit's going. He's going. Big Biscuit's going. If Biscuit can make it, I can make it. Holy shit, guys. Check that out. Yeah, baby. Ah, look at that, bro. Can't believe Biscuit went through that with his car. Oh my god. Insane. We just grabbed lunch. We're heading back to the job. I am telling you, this is bad for our area. We do not see this kind of rain. It's just not stopping today. Okay guys, we are just finishing it up. About 5:30 at night. Chris is gonna hit it one more time. Mike's running around the edges. I just pulled the stakes off the front of the board here. We're gonna come back tomorrow morning and cut it. Gonna cut it once down the middle here and once down the middle here. It's a little too soft today to cut it. We're gonna do it tomorrow. We'll run over here about 7 a.m. and cut it. Sounds like that trowel's about to run out of gas. Maybe not. Nice little garage floor to get done today. 24 by 24, guys. About 5 inches thick. There it is, guys. Big one, 24 by 24. Me and Chris just cut it. Swept it up, sprayed it off. It's good to go. We just cut it down the middle there, down the middle there. It's a really nice finish for him. That's what he wanted for a finish. So we're gonna head out of here, load up the soft cut, and we are gonzo. Thanks for watching the video. Hit the subscribe button, like and comment if you would.